Young ones donning a white coat today to help out their cuddly friends.
Yeah, that's right. Intermountain Health hosted a teddy bear clinic at the Discovery Children's Museum for kids to learn all about doctor visits. Over 400 children tested their medical skills on a teddy bear, checking out everything from x-rays to bandages and medicine. Organizers say this event helps eliminate a child's fears about going to the doctor or to the hospital.
And children are just fearful of the unknown, so they tend to imagine things that are a lot scarier than what actually needs to happen. So the more that a child is aware at their developmental level, the more that they're able to cope with going through getting stitches or having to take medicine, or scarier things like a diagnosis like diabetes that requires getting shots every day or taking medicine. So the more that a child knows at their level, the easier it is for them to go through those experiences.
Today's clinic was one of many events at the Discovery Children's Museum to celebrate National Doctors Day on March 30th. We have a link to the other events at news3lv.com.
Still ahead, how a local organization